Hello viewers, welcome back to another episode of M Design, and in this video I'm about to show you how to make this kind of logo designs. So firstly, I will need to create a new workspace with the ratio 4:4, and always make sure your resolution is on inches. Okay, so I'll create my workspace. Firstly, I will need to drag this here. Okay, so I'll click here, come back here to my, then drag all of these into my workspace. So I'm using this as my worksheet, my background. So right here, then extend the cross near. So I'll come back. Just want it to be like this one since the cross is near, so I'll click somewhere else. Then come back here and create a layer. Then I come to my gradient panel, click on this, then start creating my gradient. So according to this, I can see there is a bit of green and there is a bit of yellow. So I will make my work green and yellow. So I click here, then change it to green. Then come back here to yellow. I think the yellow is not quite that deep, so I prefer this one. Then click here. So I come back to my layers panel, then drag over it. So after you've created your gradient, let me drag this one here so we look on it and do whatever is here. After that, you come back here. So what do we do next? I prefer typing my Calvary. I prefer using impact. So I come back here, then expand it a little bit. So I increase size and come back here. For the next step I'm about to do, if you want to know the step, just visit my channel to get to know more of what I'm about to do now. In this step, there is a tutorial I made on this kind of way of expanding your text, so you can visit my channel for those kind of videos. Okay, so after here I choose my shape tool, then draw on this, then reduces this to 0 so I get a sharp edges. Then I drag it here a bit and hold Ctrl, then drag this one to make a curved sided. I think I've made it so far to the Calvary stroke. So I'll come back here to the walk, and since the Calvary I used impact to write it, I think there will be a need for me to use the impact to write the walk also. So for the walk, you come back here and drag a leg. All these were downloaded, so you will need to download. Then remove the background of this one. So after removing the background, you come back here and give it color overlay. You double click here or click on it and click on FS. Then come to color overlay. So color overlay, you give it the black color overlay. Then resize it onto the work. So from here you can resize it anyhow you want. So after resizing it onto the work, you are halfway with your work. Then you start with this one, you draw this, then fill in with your gradient. So I come back here, double click and click on gradient overlay, then click here. So I've made my gradient overlay. Then you draw this. There's no need for me to draw again, so I will duplicate. But there is no stroke, so we have to turn it off. Turn it off. Then come back here to reduce the size.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe
No stroke.
trying to protect